Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Here I'm going to explain about why speed test by Ookla is different from other speed tests, especially when you see you get a different speeds when you compare it with any other speed test. The reason is simple. Speed test by Ookla, as you can see in the computer screen, so what it does is it lists of multiple servers in its area in a particular location. It takes your location and it lists all the servers near you, and it takes the most near server in the list. So what happens is when you perform a speed test, you obviously it will get a very good ping and a very good speed, but actually if you see all your requests will be going through a very different region, especially like a Mumbai or USA or something like that, which is like very far from here. I'll be demonstrating you how it affects your ping, how it affects your speed and everything. So let's start. So I am here with Vodafone network, and as you can see I am having a server, default server, which is Vodafone India, and my nearest server is in Cochin. So I'll perform a speed test. Okay, I'm getting a very good ping and a good speed. I mean, not that good, but still manageable. So I'm somewhere around 0.4 and a very good upload speed. This happens due to the server, because Vodafone servers are pretty good at uploading. I mean, they're good at receiving requests. As you can see here, so I've got a very good upload speed and a very good ping as well. Now what I'll do is I'll just change the server. I'll change the server to somewhere in London. Okay, so as you can see there is a list of servers in London, so the last server will be the farthest one. I mean to say that it will be longest distance. So when you perform a speed test on that, that will be, I can say, the longest server in the London would be your server, and you are requesting that server. So obviously you can see the ping was somewhere around 59 and now it's 285, which is quite high. And as you can see, a little bit reducing in the bandwidth, but that's okay. Bandwidth is not a problem here. When you consider some networks, it will be a factor. Okay, then I got a good bandwidth than actual. Okay, now if you see upload, it's taking time. Okay, there is upload speed test error, so I'll try to change the server again. Okay, I'll try with a different server now, somewhere in Mumbai. Okay, I got I'll pick private one. So let's see what ping I'll get. So obviously the ping expected will be high. Level 1, it's going down. Okay, I got 0.62, which is manageable. And again, as you can see, upload is high. Okay, one thing is very clear from this. So within India, I think you get a very good upload speed, especially in Vodafone. I don't know about other networks. And yeah, so here is the result. So as you can see, it's clearly the ping matters a lot when it comes to PUBG or any other thing. When you're video conferencing or video streaming, ping is a factor. It's like time taken by a packet to travel from the client to the server. So it takes a long time when you have a very high ping. So So this is a fact. I'll wind up this video, and thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and do share it with your friends, and please do like. Thank you.